Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 update failed error. So how to fix the error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net space stop space bits. After doing this, type a command is net stop space script svc and press enter. After doing this, type a command is run space c dot backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution dot old and press enter. After doing this, type a command is run space c dot backslash windows backslash system32 backslash catro2 space catro2 dot old and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net space start space SUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits. After doing this, type a command is net space start space script svc and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your system setting section, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, select a Windows update and click on run. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is type in the search box type of services. Find out a Windows update. Open a Windows update services. Select a automatic. Click on stop. Click on start. Apply and OK button. And close it. After doing this, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.